Welcome to HighDesign Photoshop video tutorials. So let's get started. I'm going to open up one of the images first in Adobe Photoshop and do the other by pulling and dragging it onto the Photoshop icon. I'm then going to display my two photos side by side using the artboard view. So I have two images up. I'm first going to unlock my background layer by double clicking on the layer and unlocking it. You can see that you can adjust your toolbar any way you would like to. We're going to find the Magnetic Lasso tool now and select it. Just continue dragging your Magnetic Lasso tool along the outer edge of the butterfly, allowing your hand to just move around the outer edge. If you happen to make a mistake and you go off course, all you need to do is click on the delete key on your keyboard as many times as need be to get your lasso tool back on track. Just going to continue all the way along until I reach the point at which I began. I'm then going to double click on the point at which I began. I get my marching ants and then I go to the move tool. I can go to edit, copy, edit, cut, or easy way, just go to the move tool, use and just pull and drag the image into the other one. So you move the butterfly into your other image. You can get rid of that previous image, just close the file. Just rearranging things here. Going into my full screen mode with my menu. And now it's time to make some adjustments. You can see that your butterfly is in its new layer. So I want to scale this image in, make it smaller. So I go to Edit, Transform, Scale, go to the corner, hold down the Shift key on the keyboard and pull my butterfly in. And just click on Return on the keyboard to complete the transformation or use a tool in the toolbar. I'm going to Edit, Transform, Rotate to turn my butterfly inward. You go to Layer, Duplicate Layer to make a copy of my butterfly. You can see that you have two layers. Double click the layer to get into your layer style properties. Choose Color Overlay. Click on the color box and choose a color. Then I go to my blend mode and I decide whether or not I want to use overlay, color, hue. I'm satisfied with that. Now I need to reorder my layers, so I move that layer down one. And I also want to make this image smaller, so I go to Edit, Transform, Scale again, or Command T. And position the butterfly where I would like it. I create a new layer for my text, taking the Type tool, selecting it, and then deciding what font and what font size, also the color. and I just go ahead and type. I can increase the size of my type by going to Edit, Transform, Scale, and this does it very quickly. Holding down the Shift key as I pull the outer edge of my text out to increase the size. Edit, Transform, Scale again. Make it bigger. Click on a tool to complete the transformation. Double click the layer for your text. I'm going to drop a shadow. And that's it. You're complete.